Guys, let me just turn this around. There we are. Today we're going to be creating our own cat. Let's see. It's just like the other one, but different. Wait, no. Yeah. Okay, let's see. First, all I gotta do is just do this. How about a forest cat? Just forest cat. Put it right in the middle. Put it right there so I can make it even more brighter. Guys, I really want my cat to be like. Okay, I'm probably gonna pick this one, I guess I'm supposed to pick that one. I'm gonna make a red fox. How about that? A red fox. We'll go. Guys, do you like the eyes? I think the eyes are good. This is a red fox. Okay, let's see. Guess this is gonna be red fox. No, disgusting. Okay.
Oh God.
I don't think that looks good.
You know, I'm big on personal space. I'm so big on personal space. You know what I'm saying? You fine till you get in my motherfucking
Okay. And then we gotta go all the way down. Get this one. Then change it to that. I didn't mean real red fur, but anyways, I have to put it red. Yeah, kind of like this. This is kind of better. It's a little dark. Okay, how about this? This is gonna be like a Pokemon, not like a fox, but it's kind of like a fox. So it's gonna be like a Pokemon.
You can register in the morning, and then we can shoot out. We can be
Yeah, I kind of look like.
Oh God. Oh my God. See, too much. Too much. Too much.
Ooh, I could get some of that. Wait, what else?
Look, he like run off the stage like, bitch, he just grinding on you.
Nah, I kind of use this. Okay, here it goes. You know what? I'm gonna get it in a different color. Not like that. Red and blue. Okay, how about the mark?
I love the music, I like the spookiness about it, the great personality, the fact that you got these two different sides.
Piggy, how I'm gonna make it that bright? Huh? Wait. How about this? Looks great like that. Now about the hair. I don't think about that. Okay, we can only wear something like those. So what are we gonna wear? And then a back here. Okay, there we go. First, the hair. Okay. Pinky. And there. Inky. It's gonna be like this. There. We're done. Wait, we're not done. Inky. Stop. Well, it's just gonna be like that because I don't have any such wings to put on this. And now I don't need no collar, I just have, wait, oh, never mind. I don't have no collar.
Honestly, I was pretty sure it was a couple. We got distracted. I know I should get tested for HIV. Honestly, I'm ready for that. Honestly, we've been together for a while, so getting tested will never really cost me much. Honestly, no one wants to think about HIV, but there are things that everyone can do to help protect their sexual health. Condoms are a great start. Get tested. It has to help their bladder, and that's all it will. Because honestly, our health is worth protecting.
I think that's it for this episode. I think that's it. So bye.
That's why you need a tailored recipe for moms. To help them stay fit. I am who I am.
Mickey, how do the next one? How you get